Last year, your paycheck felt okay. This year, it feels worse. You didn't get dumber. Money did. Once upon a time, milk was cheap. Eggs were normal. Eating out didn't require a financial advisor. Then people increased. Appetites increased. But farms stayed the same. More demand. Same food. Prices go up. Simple. Then things got worse. Fuel got expensive. Labor got expensive. Packaging got expensive. So food got expensive. That's not greed. That's survival. Now here's where it gets stupid. Food supply stays the same. Demand stays the same. But suddenly, everyone has more money. Stimulus checks? Credit cards? Buy now, worry later. Money loses weight. Food doesn't. Prices rise. People panic. Governments panic harder. Food is too expensive, so they print more money. Congratulations, you just poured gasoline on inflation. More money chasing the same food. Prices go up, so they print more money. Prices go up again. At some point, money becomes monopoly paper and groceries feel like luxury items. Inflation isn't evil, it's just honest. If your income rises with prices, you're fine. If it rises faster, you're winning. But if prices rise and your paycheck doesn't, you're working harder to afford less. That's not bad luck, that's economics. So don't just save money, money melts. Own things that grow, because prices will keep rising and your salary is doing its best, but it's tired. Subscribe before bread costs $20.